Where are we joining? Sige, sige.
Sa 1 minute bago ako makasakay sa mount ko na pass mount.
Libreng-libre talaga yung Terry dito sa
May blob dito, Paps, ha? Pag zone ko kan nawala na ata.
Kunin natin to. Tele dito, kunin natin.
Pwede naman natin try.
Taking this, clear.
Gusto nyo?
Kunin na lang natin.
Why not?
Wala naman.
Bang na square.
Takbo na lang
Tara.
tayo pag ano.
Oo, kunin natin. Lahat na tayo dito, lahat na tayo dito.
Tara.
Oh. Hold here boys, hold here.
We'll go portal 2.
Hold. Tanks just only hold here. Hold chokes. All tanks, hold chokes. Other tanks, hold choke. Everyone else, DPS, support, and healer, come with me. All tanks, get out of Terry. Everyone come to me, ready.
Will be tank scouts.
D-tanks, stay out of Terry.
Scout muna.
Hello.
This one here
Inside.
inside.
So, OGC scouting. OGC guild
Kill this one.
Yeah, I see one OGC.
Merong palabas dyan, ah. Merong papunta dyan.
No problem.
DM.
Dodge. Jesus Christ.
DM monster. No.
Ready on me here. Come here. Ay, naglalag ako.
Fail.
Ako ba yung naglalag?
Naglalag din ako.
Hindi nawawala yung kabayo ko. Hindi nag-despawn.
Ay, reconnecting.
Sabi na eh.
Oh my god.
Sabi na eh. Hindi ko na nga.
Connecting din, oh.
Sabi, nagtataka ako ba hindi nawawala yung ano ko, mount ko.
Ano ba yun ba to?
Reconnecting pa rin ako.
Master Grab, nasa labas ka?
Nandito ako sa tabi mo.
Pwede. Okay.
Who is reconnecting as well?
TY.
Ah,
Ako.
Sure po.
We're reconnecting.
Astro is
Yes,
reconnect.
Huwag gagamit ng converge.
DM papunta dyan, ah. Precipice.
Seryoso, converge ba yung problema? Ano?
I think
Oo,
also,
yung
Ay,
Sa iba wala namang problema eh.
Liam daw Liam incoming
DM papunta dyan.
Oh, wait lang. Boys. Wait lang.
Akala ko dito tayo sa portal.
Just hold. If you're already done reconnecting, get out of Terry. If you're done, get out of Terry.
Master Pau, na-DC ka na.
Gabi.
Huwag ka muna mag-login ha. May blob na papunta sa'yo.
My God,
Nag-disconnect na ba yung akin?
Nag-disconnect na ba lahat?
that's Yed.
Nag-disconnect
That's
pa?
Yed. Guys, that's Yed.
Baka nakatayo
kayo,
pa.
pag na-DC kayo, huwag mo nang
DM
mag-reconnect.
under, ano.
That's Yed.
mga
Busy na kami.
Yung mga nadi-DC, wag muna mag-reconnect kasi may papuntang blob na.
That's Yed.
Ako, nawala na ako. Na-DC na ako.
Pa-check ng kay Boss Bon.
Wala na sa party server. Disconnect ng server. Go straight to
Huwag
portal.
kayo wag muna kayo mag-reconnect Boss Bon para ano.
Go straight to
Hindi kasi
portal, guys.
gamit niya.
Go straight to portal. They're gonna take the Terry.
Okay na,
Alis.
ang goal naman natin ano eh. Yung
Lakeside.
section natin.
Oh.
Yun naman yung goal natin, extra lang.
Main fire na take naman.
Good job.
Yung mga na-log out sa Terry, huwag kayo log in ha.
All
Nandun
of
yung
the
lab.
people who are in Terry and reconnecting do not log in yet.
Go straight to portal, guys.
Dumaan lang.
Dumaan
nila, baka dumaan lang.
dumaan lang.
Pupunta
Wait lang.
Mini-1 dito, mini-1.
Iniwan yung Terry.
Oh, lumit sila, lumit sila.
Okay, log in now.
Baka may tubitin dyan, ha?
Kasi naiwan dyan.
Baka lakeside yung ano nila. Target.
Target.
Hindi sila
Hindi.
mag-inside.
Sino yung
Nag-rise sila, nag-rise.
Hindi na ba?
Baka yung deal kukunin nila.
Wala nang blob dito ng ano. Wala nang blob
No.
dito ng-
OGC is here. Terry taking OGC is here in the...
Nag-log in kayo?
Nag-log in ako.
Oo.
Boss Bon, nag-login din si Black Boss Bon.
Andito
Yes,
pa
sir,
yung reject snow.
OGC is taking Terry.
Portal tayo maghihita.
Yeah, that's their alliance.
OGC is taking the Terry in Precipice.
I also say reject snow.
Oo, tatlong reject.
Just leave them, let's go with the alliance.
Tara, let's go.
Hindi na natin yan yung guys.
Dojo Color.
Reject Snow, Kilonet, and OGC.
Delikado yan hindi na yan tutulong yung alliance sa atin.
Para pa-invite ako sa party. Pa-invite sa party.
West side yung...
Invite sa party, guys. Yun.
Sino pa yung na-DC na iba?
Pa-invite guys, pa-invite.
Boy, slash join, sir, slash join, L.
Join lang kayo, slash join, Sir Flashy.
Putang ina.
Dojo, zoning.
Go to portal.
Dojo,
Everyone
zoning.
Go to portal. Everyone go to portal. Go to portal.
Join,
Everyone go to
sir.
portal. Go to portal.
Flashing.
Go to portal. Go to portal. Go to portal. Go to portal, boys. Go to portal. Go to portal. Go to portal.
Ingat kayo ha, ingat kayo.
Yung ginagawa ng dojo dito.
Pasok na.
Nice. Snowflake took Strand and Leaving.
Nice. Uy! Masarap mang trip sa strand ah.
Yeah, nice. Yung afterblow nakuha din nila yung tip. Nice. Yung jackpot nakuha din nila yung snowflake picked.
Join party, everyone.
Slash join, sir, flashing.
Pag may mag-attack mo, boss. Mag-attack talaga tayo.
Slash
Go. Inside the portal. Inside.
Go.
Sabi ni Fro sa akin, may pinaplano sa Sabi niya hindi talaga yan sila mabibigyan. At tingnan mo yung backup na tinawagan niya.
Saan tayo ngayon?
Yung alpaca at saka yung ano tawag? Bendo Boston. Yung caldera ang kinuha ng Wings of Liberty. Yung hilak, wala pa ako kumukuha actually.
Ilan na sa podcast? Dalawa. Bicycle.
Anong next plan natin?
Wait lang, hold in
Wait lang.
hold in portal.
Wait lang, nakuha na yung
Okay,
mga objective natin. Hintayin na natin. Ano yung side shot?
Nasa hilak, guys, wala pang kumuha.
Wait lang. Baka may
Hindi,
tumitik
wag muna. Masyado
Wag
na
muna.
pa.
Oo, wait lang.
Mainit pa. Saan kayo pupunta, Prods? Punta na kami sa inyo. Prods.
Pa-invite, men.
X lang sa akin, guys.
Men, sino pwede
X up.
Sino pwede
Slash
mag-trade?
join Sir Flashy.
Skill daw. Skill.
Prods, where are you? We're ready. Okay. Go. Everyone ready in west. Ready west.
We're taking hilak. Hilak?
Ready west.
Sir, Siopaw. No
Yo.
skill on body armor.
Gabi. Thanks.
Hindi natin makukuha yung hindi natin makukuha yung hilak. Meron. Ready west. Zone in.
Gago, nag-take invest, gago.
Hindi na mag-impinge. Wala akong sinabi. Just go in by join.
Saan mag-i-strand tayo, Master?
Bigo and sir natin.
No, don't.
Strand.
Wait. Master Boy, na-DC naman siya.
Nako, hindi.
Keep moving. Southwest.
If you're late, take invis na lang.
If you're late, take invis.
If you're late, you're gay. Oh.
Gay.
Ay, God.
Why are you?
Wait for Tay, wait for
Boss Bon,
Tay.
On the way, on the way, on the way, on the way.
andito si Boss Bon naka-AFK.
Oh, busy
Keep
ako.
moving, keep
Na-DC
moving.
siya, na-DC.
Nandito, dito sa...
Keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. Keep moving, keep moving, keep moving.
Moving,
Southwest.
keep moving.
Keep moving. Don't take road, don't take road. Keep moving. Keep moving.
Oh, eh.
Take invis if you're late.
What's that blob?
Yung yellow, ingat may tao dyan.
Nandito si boss.
Keep moving,
Balik ka
keep
sa portal, Boss Bon.
Balik na tayo, boss. Inbin na lang tayo.
Yellow dot.
May papuntang blob sa
Invi na lang. Invi, Boss Bon, balik ka, Boss Bon, balik.
English ka lang.
Envy,
Take
envy.
invis na lang.
Na-DC siya.
Keep moving, keep moving.
Paglabas siya ng portal.
Tangina kasi itong ano, update ng
Ayaw ng
Alvin yan.
Ako nga eh, from time to time na-DC din ako like that.
Go northwest, go northwest, go northwest.
Na yan, oh. Kill that. Whoever's holding that core, kill that. Joke lang.
Ako, napasok na eh.
Buisit. Baba.
Wag na, wag na, wag na.
Wag.
Drop mo buta. Oh my god.
Sino tong Chadri? DC ka ba?
Map check, map check.
Keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. Gali,
Okay.
gali,
Ah,
gali.
dis.
Online ka na, Master to.
Southwest of Thunder Thirst Waterways. Southwest of Thirst Waterways. Go to Gali.
Nilagay akong charger dyan kanina.
Copy.
Ito or ayun.
Gagi, nakastag si Jabili.
Zone in and hold.
Okay
Zone
lang
in
yun.
and hold. Zone in and hold. Zone in and hold.
Gago! Light ako naman. Ano yung guro mo?
Wait.
Umuwi ka, gago!
This update, man.
Zone in hold. Zone in hold. Zone in hold.
Baka, gago.
Fucking update, man.
Ba't anong nangyari kay Nightlight?
Go now.
Gagi, nakapibigil mo sa nakalimutan niya mag-change. Baka gago.
Moving.
Parang haba lang pupuntahan natin, no?
Anong gamit niya ba? Anong gamit niya ba?
Pag-tasting ba siya?
Yung blazing.
Oo.
Pwede na yan.
Hindi, pero naka-royal robe siya. Bomb
Ay,
squad.
ayun lang. Royal.
Naka-druid cowl. Wala siyang defensive.
Pwede naman. Pero...
Sama nyo na.
Kawawa.
Donate nila yung gears. At least may yambag.
Gali,
Lalaban naman daw.
Oo, papalag.
Ready.
Papalag naman.
Hold. Do not move. Do not move.
Map check.
Water waste,
Hold.
thirst
Do
water.
not move. Ay, nako. Get ready. Do
May
not
scout
move.
dito. May scout dito.
Boss
Yok.
Bon? Boss Bon, saan ka Boss Bon? Saan ba yung ano natin?
Gali.
Nag-waste kayo?
Oo.
Nag-waste.
Boss Bon, dito Boss Bon.
Hold. Ready. Go southwest now. Go southwest. ETA 30 seconds. Okay. Middle.
Southwest o southeast?
May naiwan.
Go to tunnel.
Matanda ko.
Oh, yan. Nag-live ng Twitch.
Hindi, mag-live din tayo.
Maganda ako. Good ako ng live.
Sino ang ano nila? Oh, Nick.
Gagi, may laban.
Wait natin si Rosbono.
Hold.
Nandito pa kami sa waist.
Hold.
Wait on them. Ito. Sunduin ko na, wait lang.
Ang yan, nakakapalpago yung DP.
Ay, shit.
Ay,
May
tutuloy
tatlo
na.
pang sumusunod sa akin, shit.
Hmm?
Ang laban.
Disconnect
Kay
ako.
Siopo, kay Siopo.
Ready 10 seconds. Ready 10 seconds.
Sinusundan pa ko ng
6,
tatlo.
5, 4, 3, zone in now.
Sir Joko. Ikaw yan? Tagali.
Easy ako, oo.
May blob sa tunnel.
Huwag ka mag-alala, alay yan.
Tingnan mo yung DA mo. Relax.
Alay yan. Huwag ka mag-alala.
Level 5.
Kabado ang puta.
We are about to zone in tunnel.
Ang na kasi nagilang natin yung
Buti hindi nag-dismount na.
Hold. Do not move. Zone now. Go.
Alay ba yung sa tunnel?
Keep moving. Keep moving.
Tara, kunin natin yung clips. Clips yun.
Converge, makisama ka muna ngayon lang, please lang.
I see Blob in Gali. Nag-zone din sa step.
Kunin natin yung passage, guys.
Passage guys.
Pasama
na kayo ulit.
Demonium na kami, demonium.
May demon. Uy, meron
Keep
pa.
moving.
Ala yan. Tiyadetindi sa iray tayo.
Grabe, ang gugutsi nila. Sheesh.
Kaya build ko. Shit.
8-4, 8-3, tangin nang yan.
Tago lang kayo, pwede ka makita.
Tabihan niya.
Oo.
Tabihan niya pa yan.
Hindi naman kung sino nagsabi nun.
Lagyan niyo na ng mark, mga heart, gano'n, yan.
Guys, patay ako sa gali.
Yeah.
Guys, patay ako sa
Target.
gali. Hello, patay ako sa
Ito
gali.
pa tayo sa gali daw.
Man,
Wala,
pa rin sa-
sinundan mo pa rin yung yung vlog, nagsabi
No,
ako.
hindi. Ah,
Sabi ko, di wag mo dikitan yung vlog.
no, wala. Wala nag-message sa inyo kanina?
Malayo.
May dismount dito
Keep moving.
I'm dead. Fuck this. Man.
Keep moving.
Sige, Mikase, keep moving.
Keep moving. Rotate.
Keep moving,
No,
Mikase.
go east, southeast.
Mikase. That's
Wait, what do you mean?
South
What
side.
do you mean, bro?
Southeast.
Andito po, ano ka na?
Dismounted.
Southeast. Get out. Southeast.
Wag na. Ba't pa pumunta dito? Fuck.
Southeast.
Wala na.
Gagi si Sasha na yun.
Wala. Man,
Go
wala
east.
ba nagsasabi sa inyo? Nagchat ako. Nanayuhuli ako. Wag na.
Keep
Hindi na
moving.
magre-reggae. Fuck this.
The red one.
Guys, yun nasa party guys, please naman kasi pasabi na nahuhuli ako. Kaya na po ako nagbe-message.
Come east.
Fuck, man.
Keep moving northeast. Wala sinabi si Frozen, sabi lang pumasok lang daw. Wala akong narinig na may kalaban sa gate.
Din ako doon.
Late ko na din nakita, yung nakita ko lang, yung nung kakatch siya may bago yung gate eh. Hindi ko alam may blob lang.
Wala akong narinig na intel kay Frozen, sabi lang niya dumiretso lang daw. Wala akong narinig na may kalaban.
Saan ba may kalaban?
Yes.
Patay din si Frozen.
Patay din.
Patay yung caller.
Dito kami, nasa shoal. Si take nila?
Come here. Likod. Over. Zone in. Zone in here. Over here, go southeast.
Kasi kailangan pa-effect to.
Go, 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 go.
Putang ina.
Uy, sino yung nagpiping ng ano? Gusto nyo mag-FF?
Hindi, pumasok na ano.
Itong dungeon daw.
Dungeon.
Itong dungeon.
Magtago daw. Magtago muna.
Tago daw muna dito
Pero-
sa shoal.
Kikita tayo.
Clear this one.
Hintayin nyo yun.
Lumipat kayong PLDT, wag na kayo mag-converge. Okay na yun ang converge to.
Okay.
May discussion doon. Dito. Sama sa akin. Nakisama niyo yung converge ko.
Sabi kasi ni Frozen, mag-push lang daw sa zone. Wala akong narinig na may kalaban. Yun yung katangan niya.
Pushing star, ah.
Kaya unang-una
Battle
pa lang,
map yun, di ba?
nung kakapasok ko pa lang, sabi ko na doubt na ako sa leadership nito ni Frozen, parang tanga lang eh. Sabi niya mag-push lang daw eh. Tayo nang yun.
So, Jay, nakamute ka ba sa PTB?
Hindi.
Okay.
Hindi, joke lang, nakamute ako. Kung mag-alala.
Muntik na yun to.
Okay lang yun. Okay lang yun. At least prangka tayo.
Ay, hindi. Busyag, pwede ko sabihin sa kanya. Ano, gusto nyo? Ayan ang... Sabihan ko, sabihan ko siya, pumunta siyang action. Ano.
Men. Napaka-ano niya, men. Careless siya masyado, men. Careless.
Hindi. Careless tsaka pride. Meron siyang hawak na pride doon. Inaano niya is, ang inaano niya is kaya niyang gawin lahat eh.
May kalaban daw sa Labusara.
Biniblame niya yung team niya sa sa pagiging di marunong. I mean, oo, for sure, na tarantado GA niya kahapon.
Grabe na yung GA kahapon.
Loko yung GA kahapon.
Nood ako ng replay. Grabe, 5 clock ata.
I mean, oo, sabihin
Nag-GA
natin oo.
sa
Pero I think there is a reason. There is a reason why the reason why
Oy, asa yung
GA
isa?
does that. There is a particular reason. There is like standards na ayaw nila si Frozen. Frozen, we are going to Volcano, going to Shoal. Okay? We're moving without you. Everyone come here, go to the gate now.
Merong ally din dito.
Grabe
Bakit
daw,
dyan?
may nadali.
Mid shield natin yan.
Sabing wag na nga dyan.
Come, ready. Ready.
4, 6. Si Sashan, battle mount pa naman.
Walk out na.
Ayaw mo Shasha.
Sabi naman yun.
Naku, bakit
Kala
siya
ko the gankers lang eh. Nanguhuli sa may bago yung gate eh. Tapos may blob
Ready
pala sa
mount
gate.
up, ready mount up.
Hindi pa yung nadali yata. Or...
Nim, si Mikael Z pa.
Keep moving.
Nag-live na si Michael Singh. Sa party.
Rage quit.
Na tilted yan boy. Ganyan talaga, wala tayong magagawa. Reasonable yung rage kit. Although yun nga
Hindi
guys,
naman kasi sinasabi.
okay, please make sure.
I'm gonna use Rail Breaker. I have no energy to go back. That's the point. Stupid. Ikaw ba naman nawala ng balista?
Ay, guys, this is why, like having a participation to the alliance, especially the top guilds, no, kapag may kipag-alay tayo, talagang it is very expensive to be with them. So please have a patience, no. Snowflake is just plain stupid. Under my perspective, I have been different guilds. This is the most plain stupid. Hold here.
Apat dito ah. Apat plus 6. 6 naman kayo. Vlog Lakeside. I think Lakeside is atin na yan.
Sino yung
Yes.
naiiwan dito?
Care, parang ano sila eh, naka...
Go. Zone in.
Ganun ba kayo, no?
Maiwalay yung isang snowflakes.
Go to southeast.
Oo. Shoal tayo, Suji.
Lahat tayo wala premium, puro silver coin ha.
Ay, puta. Pumasok. It's almost a show pa.
About to zone. Zone into shoal. Do not stop. Next time, boys, you can try using Panther. If you're confident.
Sa Delta ba tayo punta?
I mean, shoal, where are you? Okay, go northeast, boys. Go to the northeast side. Now.
Take roads. Sir Flashy nasa likod.
Meron tayong tinatawag na capture the flag and fight. Are the two different strategies. Knowing the difference of outnumbered and knowing the enemy. Hold here.
Laban daw sa
29 disarray. How many DA you have?
No blob. No blob in shot.
Keep moving southwest.
Soji, who's missing in your party?
Sino? Si
Sino mo?
Shizu, Nightlight, Kunipa, Dashan. Yung mga namatay, actually.
Hindi ako namatay, nagda-dungeon lang ako.
Keep moving
Patay din
southwest,
si Mikasa.
Keep moving southwest.
People people in my party who's not here. Dito, Continuous, Azer, Aki, Zenrox, Richogun.
andito kami sa solo dungeon.
Moving southwest.
Labas na ba?
Moving southwest.
Lumabas na ako sa dungeon.
Labas
Sa shell kami.
Yeah.
Yang,
Putang na naglalag na.
Nakarating ako ng ligtas sa inyo. Keep moving. Hold here, hold.
We're in Sandstrand Shoal, okay? Sandstrand Shoal.
Now,
may blob dun sa sa static.
just hold here. Come northwest now.
Hindi,
Go northwest on me, boys. Listen to me. Turn off
Follow
your
pro,
volume in the game. Turn off the game volume and follow my voice. Go northwest side. Follow your people. Keep moving.
bakit?
Tawag na lang.
Hold there. Hold it.
Ang laki niya.
Wala pa ba si Process sa kanila?
Shit, I'm reconnecting.
Ay, nako.
I think I'm gonna die din.
Ikaw ata yung blue waka.
There's a blob, there's a blob.
Si Astro.
Okay. Someone.
Sino to?
Someone.
Nasa gitna.
Ako yun. Reconnecting.
Ito. Let me check. Basta nga.
No,
Check ko yun.
Gino.
Ring Shogun, Azir, and Rocks. Where are you guys?
Asan nga boss B?
Nandito kami sa show.
Sa shoal, okay.
Holding kami dito sa southwest side.
Southwest. Ito yung blob. Alliance.
Agila.
Yeah. There is a blob in in
Oh,
northeast.
Chara,
I don't
guess
know.
ka nag-reconnecting ako.
Wait
Agila,
lang
so?
yun. I-check ko lang kung ano.
Reconnecting.
Pero I have a feeling si Shooting Star.
Ang unang album.
Oh, reconnecting.
Reconnecting, buisit.
Converge
Fuck
lang.
the
Tingnan mo, nag-reconnecting din ako, gago.
Kaya Albion na may problema.
Boss Bon, pag mag-reconnect ako, it means yan.
Oo.
Level 30 DA yung Shooting Star.
Eh,
Mabilis naman MBPS ko. Ano gusto yun? Bakit parang ano?
Level 30 DA yung Wishing Star. Pero I doubt it, yung iba sila nasa kabila, guro.
Pwede
Buisit.
na vacation.
Server downtown.
Patch pa more, Albion. Tangina. Patch pa.
nagdadagdag to ng fancy Albion eh.
Ayos ng wifi.
Okay na.
Go. Northwest. Go northwest.
Zonin.
Zone Volcano.
Zone. Yeah, just
Yeah.
Level 30 DA yung Wishing Star.
It's not the internet, I guess.
May isang blue pa na ano ha. AFK. Okay na.
LDT na kayo guys.
Invite.
TNL,
Invite.
Yung sa main party. Party 1, invite Soji. Party 1, who's the party leading PT1? Invite Soji.
Mimi. Wait lang. Ako lang na sa J.
Wala. Wait lang.
Wala pa. Hindi ka pa online.
3 blobs ha.
Ayun. May blob pumasok dito sa shoal.
Come southeast.
May blob pumasok sa shoal.
Come southeast.
17, no?
Come
Southwest.
southeast.
Another blob just entered shoal. Southwest.
Come southeast. Go.
Ang daming blue.
Daming blob.
Go.
Family. It's family.
Keep moving.
Tayo magsasandwich ha.
Keep moving east side. East side. Up the hill.
Level 37 DA resta.
North. Come south.
Fighting this.
Come south here. Come south. Portal. Go to portal. Hold. Come east now. Come southeast. Go south.
Oy,
Southwest.
may nakadismount ha? May nakadismount.
Dismounted.
Ingat. May nakadismount.
Go south.
South.
Down the road. Now keep moving now.
Dismount.
Nakaka-ting sila ulit
Go
ha.
southwest. The rest go southwest.
Huwag nyo na continue.
The rest go southwest. Go around. You're okay. Go around, boys. Keep
Oh
moving
shit,
around.
dismounted ako.
Keep moving around.
Dismounted ako ng Actuartes 8-4. Mamatay ata ako.
Keep moving.
Go, na ako.
Double OC mo na.
Ayan.
Go to the northeast. Do not go to the bridge.
Ano naka 8.4?
Ang ina nyo. Sa labanan ko na kayo. Ang ayop kayo.
Fix to. Gago.
Froze ano to? Froze ano to?
Ang ina, bobo mag-call, putang ina.
Pinapakain lang yung alliance eh.
Tangin na
Parang di tayo
pinapakain mo kami.
makakalaban ito ah. Puro lang takbo ah.
Keep moving, keep moving, keep moving, keep
Bobo ni,
moving.
ano, ni Rose.
Move.
Keep moving northeast, keep moving northeast, keep moving northeast, please.
Puta, naka-tier 10 to tier 12 sila.
Reset day.
8384 yung mga kalaban natin ah.
Holy shit.
Froz, kalahati ng group kong namatay.
Laman lang fight na.
Nahabol. Nahabol. Oh.
Delta.
Ingat dyan, men.
Kalahati ng grupo ko na ano.
Nag-zone din natin yung blob
Hindi.
sa bay.
Hindi. Nahabol dahil sa ano, sa bridge na pinaano mo.
Dying simulator.
Nagsakripisyo tayo doon. Ah.
Unhealer.
May gear pa ba? Ang layo na sa map eh.
Keep moving, keep ano, ping where we are, ping where we are. Ping where we are, boys. Ping where we are, ping where we are. Do we have second party, third party in the here? DPS? DPS, third party, second party.
Go downhill. Downhill boys.
Go notice, go notice, go notice. Follow.
Mag-alaga na ako ng island, guys. Puta na yan.
Keep
Nag-island na
moving
nga.
here, boys.
Nag-iikon.
Putek, nagsakripisyo lang ako ng gear doon. Wala namang laban.
Keep moving here. Patangan nga na ito. Keep moving.
Walang ganun kalaban natin. Putek, nag-4 na lang ako. Mga lintext.
May scout pa sila dito.
Surplus.
Ah.
Quote unquote, binibait ko silang lumaban. Like, what the fuck?
Gago.
Boys, all of the people in the Terry, come to me. You're safe if you're with me. Okay? Just do not be delayed. Do not delay yourself. Okay?
If namatay kayo guys, wag na kayo mag-gear. Don't try.
Nagreklamo na sila sa Converge pre.
Sasayang lang kayo oras.
Gago napatag na natin. Patag na natin yung daan.
Pero na yung...
Ang laki ng blob natin, no? Pwede nating krumpalan yung ano, yung castle.
Ayun nga yun.
Ayaw nito lumaban.
Kukrumpalin ba natin yung castle o hindi?
RTO yung may hawak eh.
Ano may hawak?
May RTO.
Parang ano ata nila yung
Oh,
RTO.
kung full brawl sila, edi pumasok sa ano. Nigga, what the fuck? 8483.
This is RTO.
Lalamunin lang yung T8 natin.
Ikaw ba yung nasa ano, Castle?
Come north on me. Tres, noreste. Norte. Okay. For your information, this is a melee. Okay, our enemy is melee, not range. Do your best. Okay. Segway. All DPS go segway. All tanks go front. Ready.
I think I'm gonna last the second here.
Healer, saan?
No. Sereste, southeast side. On me. Keep pinging, boys. Keep pinging. Come to the west side. No, northwest. West. Keep moving. Go to the bridge. Keep pinging, boys. Keep pinging. Keep moving, boys. Keep moving, keep moving, keep moving.
Ang ina, mali.
I am inside. I am inside of you. Keep moving north.
Wait, what? Oh my god.
Go north,
si
go
Coconut.
north. Northwest side.
Ay, mga nasa likod may nag-dismount ha.
Wait lang. Saan ako sa alliance?
May nag-dismount.
Putang
Keep
inang
moving,
map.
keep moving, keep moving southwest side. Go southwest side, go southwest side, go southwest, go south, go up the hill, up the hill, up the hill, up the hill. Dismount here.
This is it.
Keep moving west side, keep moving west side. PBE boys, PBE.
Wings of Liberty color here.
PBE.
Clear map, please.
PBE. Double OC now, double OC. Mount up.
Oh, we are one class.
Keep moving down the hill, See, butin. Come east side. Wishing. This is wishing. Come southeast, boys.
Hala yung akin.
Come northeast. Come north. North of castle. North of wish tuloy.
Oh. They're dying, ha?
Come southwest now. Come southwest.
Kaya mo mag-live, Sodzi?
Kaya. Wait lang. Keep moving southeast na. No,
Nice.
southeast. West of the... Keep moving south. Go south.
Putang nahuli yun, no?
Tang inang grabe.
Nag-easy ba si boss?
Come north.
No,
Ang ina,
nag-easy
this is si
ata
Boss
si
B.
boss.
This is Boss B.
Yo.
Alis
Wala
na,
na.
alis, man. Alis.
Come southeast.
No. Clear map.
Yun.
Come southeast. Keep moving.
Shizo.
Nahuli ako.
Dismounted yung Shizo, ha?
Wait, actually. Oh yeah, keep moving south.
Mount
Move
up,
south.
pre.
Move south here. On me, on the ping, boys. On the ping.
Gago, naglalaga, Sodzi.
Boys.
Mga luna yun ba?
On the ping, boys. On the
I'm
ping.
lagging.
Bro, you're lagging as fuck.
On the ping. On the ping. Dismount here. Walk in. Hold. Come east now. Go north.
RTO,
Ready, wait. Come
RTO,
east, southeast. Keep moving southeast. Move in southeast.
Putang ina mo.
Move southeast. Move south.
Wala, putang inang RTO to.
Move south.
Halay,
May
putang ina mo.
East side.
Imba sa east.
One is
Ready. Second engage in 3, 2, 1. Inside, boys. Inside.
Ang ina ng RTO, pre.
Inside, boys. Inside.
Yan o, nawala yung lag, oh.
Come north now.
Kill ba yung RTO?
Kill the golem.
Hindi.
Why are we engaging them?
Yes, nakuha ko yung golem. Putangin nyo.
Nakapatay ako.
Come north.
Wala akong nalop. Ayan na.
Come west side. West side, boys. West side.
Daming patay dito.
Come west.
Ay, Delicious, wag mong itinutulak yung kalaban ah.
Come north. Come west side.
Tulak mo lang kung ina-engage na kayo.
Come northeast. Northeast. Pass. Tanks, you're too far away.
inang lag.
Nulak kalaban.
Come northeast. Ready and hold, ready and hold, ready. Keep
Taking
moving,
RTO.
keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. Healer on the southwest. Healer on the southwest.
If you're left behind,
Wag dyan, wag dyan, ah. Wag dyan, ah.
South.
Choke yan, choke yan.
North, go north, go north.
Please niya.
They're scouting.
Mount up, boys, mount up now, 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 mount up now. Get ready. Move south. Come north. Come north, come north, come north now, come north now, come north now. Come north. North side, north side, north side. Come southwest. No, actually, no, come push north corner.
No matrap kayo dyan, Suzy.
Push north. No, ready. Dismount here right in front. Dismount right in front. Kill the tanks inside. No, actually, come back now. Come back to the choke. Come back to the tight choke hallway.
sandwich yata tayo dito.
Delikado kayo dyan, Suzy.
Don't go wall.
Maubos kayo dyan.
Don't go by wall.
Suji, delikado.
Don't go by wall. It's okay. It's okay.
Run over.
It's okay.
Oo, dito na.
It's okay.
Dito yung
It's
zone.
okay. Ready?
Dismounted na sa likod.
Ready northwest side.
Gaga.
Keep moving.
Run over kayo dyan, guys.
Keep moving northwest. Keep moving northwest. Ready? Northwest side. Ready? Inside in 3, 2, 1. Inside the bus, boys. Inside the bus. This one. Keep moving northwest. Keep moving west. Keep moving west.
Ubos yung alliance. Run over.
Keep moving west.
Go, choke, guys.
Keep moving west. Keep moving west.
Oh shit.
Keep moving southwest, and then use run, boys, run, run now, run, boys, run.
Yeah, gina-choke niyo yung soft niyo. Delikado yun. Bad
Boys, run.
Oh,
Itong position mo, ano?
bad position niya.
Out. Provide assistance to Battlemount, ha.
Papasok na isa yung blob.
Hindi pwede kanya-kanya. Provide assistance to the Battlemounts.
Who is the Battlemount?
Where's the Battlemount?
Ay, delicious. Go to roads.
Come again?
Sorry, sir. Nag-reconnect ako sa gitna.
Yeah,
Mabuti
I
na lang
can.
nabuhay.
I can.
No, wala akong info. Pero ako pangit ng tunnel.
Go around, boys. Go around, northwest. Go around, northwest. Go around. Ano ulit? Anong kukunin ko?
Ay, delicious ka sa fast mount mo. Para maka...
Volcano kukunin ko.
Ano
Gago,
tong...
nag-cluster Q.
Anong cluster Q? Ano to?
Lumaba, ano? May nag-zone na, ano, isang block.
Boys.
Tinapon kami sa
Yung
mga
iba-
block.
Hindi na kasi sa
Na-cluster Q ako.
Keep
Hindi
moving.
ako makagalaw.
It's okay.
Ingat kayo, ah.
You're okay.
Okay lang yan. Lalabas ka lang sa mapa.
Okay lang yan. Hindi ka matitira niyan.
Labas ka sa lang yung mga knock.
Go southwest.
Sorry.
Ako sa laban.
Southwest of Bay. Go. No delay, boys. Zone in, no delay.
Isa lang masasabi ko, live na live yun sa Twitch.
Keep moving. Go to north.
Live?
Zone in, go to north.
I have a feeling,
Ano yung alay?
Zone in, go to north.
Nag-cluster Q kayo yun eh. Magpiping yan sa album.
Zone in, go north.
Natakot.
Natakot yung ano eh. Natakot siya.
Merong...
Sino yung
Yung
natakot?
mga nasa North Block, nag-iingit ka. May vlog dyan sa ano. Punta kayo ng Terry.
Go, Terry.
Yung mga nasa North Block, ano, punta muna ng Terry. May vlog sa inyo, sasapakin kayo niyan. Ang laki niyan, no?
Keep moving, boys. Keep moving.
Sa mga hindi nakakasama kay Sojit, punta kayo sa Terry at saka log-out na kayo.
Bro, my ears.
Soji,
Fireball.
medyo lakasan mo, Soji. Medyo nakakabingi yung lakas ng boses mo.
Keep moving.
Mic test yan ito eh.
We have long tail. So
Ano nangyari?
Out na daw. Dimas na.
Hindi. Titik tayo ng
Bro,
outpost.
what the fuck?
Take tayo isang outpost. Hold. Take tayo isang outpost. Tara. Come here. Let's
Go
kill
back to
this with the
portal,
power.
bitch. Go back to portal.
No. We're taking this outpost. We're taking this one outpost here.
Gusto
We're
kong
taking this
sumama.
one outpost. This is test 2. They're fucking stupid. Come on. Come on, boys. Come on. This is content. Come on. How many are in the zone? How many did put it in zone?
16 to 50 people on the zone.
Come on.
10,
There's only
10,
seconds
11.
left.
16 to 50.
We only got
Please,
10. I guess 11.
Keep moving. Yeah, this one there. Keep moving.
Hindi pa rin pwede. Hindi pa pwede pumasok.
Come on,
I
boys.
go in.
Come on. Ready?
Cheer.
Yo, no. Not yet.
They're fighting the boss.
Yeah. It's okay. It's ready. Be ready. Spread out. Spread out inside. Ready? Spread out inside. Stall them now. Stall them. Ready? South, northwest side. Ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now spread out. Spread out.
Hindi na riches lahat, oh.
Spread out.
Map check.
Q's and W's inside. Volcano.
Volcano kami.
Come southeast, boys. Come southeast, boys. Spread out, boys. Spread out. Sino si Phantom Ash? Kasama natin?
Oo. Gagawin natin yan.
Keep moving
Bakit?
southeast. Namatay. Keep moving southeast. Shit, tayo na. Di pala natin kaya. The fuck? May naka 8-3? Come southeast.
Ano ba pinalaban?
Get out.
Nagpuntahan na sila.
Baka
Get out.
Puntahan na sila, may
pinalaban
blood
mo,
na. Master, ano ka na?
Get out.
Run.
Just get out.
Ang naglalagaw?
Yung mga tao na naiwan sa North Bluff, mag-skip cluster kayo, diretso kayo ng show.
Di pala natin kaya yun. Putang ina, may naka 8-3 sa kanila.
Ano ba yung kalaban niyo? Western Paradise?
Testudo.
Oh.
Ito ang testudo. Galing ah.
Mga cheer ata yun, cheer mga yun.
Na lang ata nandyan eh.
Wala
Yung
lang tayong ibang pupuntahan.
Dito na yung mga snowflake oh.
Buisit.
Portal.
Nakuha na yung mga
Come here.
outposts.
DPS in southwest, come here.
Arbak na yun.
Uwi na tayo.
So, G, make sure mo muna na complete party yung mga party mo nandyan, ha?
Hindi, wala na. Yung iba namatay na eh.
Hindi ako makarbak. Bakit?
Outlaw.
Go. Northeast. No, it's okay. Tara na. Labas. Alis na tayo. Move na tayo. Pauwi tayo.
Yung buhay pa nawala sa volcano.
Galant tayo pauwi. Hintayin natin dalawang DPS. Wait, 2 DPS.
Hold.
Wala pa na kayo outlaw.
Putang ina si Balwood buhay. Putang ina buhay si Balwood.
Yung expanse na rat ng Big Mom.
Anong gamitin si Balvin matagal mamatay.
Narat ng Big Mom sa Duo.
Boss Bon. Ever since umalis tayo sa friends, naging walang kwenta ang CTA natin.
Ha?
Ever since umalis ang friends, naging walang kwenta ang CTA.
Dito sa Limers?
Hindi, as in buo.
Anong buo?
Buong experience. I mean, hindi, sabihin natin before nagkawatak yung hounds. Sa plano ng hounds, yung leader ng hounds, after nun, nagkasiraan na. Pumangit yung strategy natin. Wala tayong strategies na maayos.
Malamang puro Pinoy eh.
Kaya ito magagawa. Si Frost ang nandyan eh.
Wala tayong strategies.
Mag-suggest ka sa kanya.
Gusto ko, kausapin mo si Frost.
Power.
Open to conversation naman siya kung may...
Ay, hindi.
Hindi mo pwede
Kasi
sabihin ano eh.
kasi
Hindi mo pwede sabihin na
uunahin ko
crush
muna
yung
maging
natin.
negative. Uunahin ko muna maging negative sa kanya.
Hindi, ganito Soji. Kahit na wala tayo sa friends, okay ang Zerg ng Death pa rin. Baka tinutukoy mo yung situation ngayon.
Oo nga, yung situation natin ngayon.
O,
Sa Alliance. Sa Alliance.
Actually, ako din, malaki ding reklamo ko dyan. Dahil nga, nung simula napasok tayo sa Valve, hindi ko rin gusto yung setup ng fights. And hindi talaga magandang ng Valve Alliance. Actually, good sila. Okay naman yung fights eh. Hindi ko lang alam kung paano yung setup ginagawa nila dito.
Out na ako, Master.
Keep moving.
Actually, in mid-scale, medyo okay tayo. Yung large scale talaga ang problema.
We want to hit on large scale.
Wala, hindi kaya ng large
Hindi kaya na large scale natin. Mid-scale, small scale, as in kaya talaga natin. Pero pag
Focus lang
large
tayo
scale,
sa mga big Zerg.
kung mga...
Gusto ko din ito yung totoo dito. Ay gusto ko rin magreklamo. Ang problema dito, 4 lang ang Filipino guilds dito sa Limhurst.
Which is Snowflakes.
Which is Death Parade. Snowflakes, Death Parade. Tawag na ito, yung Q. Hindi ko alam kung yung...
Si Q.
small
Hindi.
scale guild.
Hindi. Ano siya? Ka-connection ko yun.
May isa pa,
yung Rockstar na disband na. So wala na, tayo na lang. Actually, Death Parade ng pinakamalaking Pilipino dito ngayon sa Limhurst, sa Outer Ring eh.
may isa pang guild master ako nakita. Guildless. Yung isa pa. Na Filipino guild.
Disband sa Ampa Roads yun.
Oh.
Arch.
Ang gusto ko lang sana is mag-assign sila ng strategies, hindi yung commander ang mag-aano.
Ano nangyari dun sa bridge? Anong sistema ni Frost dun?
Hindi ko maintindihan, basta ako nag-loot ako. Yun na yun. Bahala sila. Wala.
May golem na bit-bit oh.
Uy, yung dojo nandito sa Limhurst?
Sige, ganito. Kung hindi talaga natin gusto yung sistema ng hindi natin gusto yung sistema ng large scale, gusto nyo, in the mid-season, magsimula tayo ng sarili nating Zerg.
Sige.
Huwag kang umano dyan, Balwood. Hindi ka naman masyadong mag-online.
Connect din
Hindi nag-online.
Bars. Tangina, bars. I don't think we're competitive.
Yun lang.
Yes, kasi hindi ka naman kasi makikita, no?
Nag-uumpisa pa lang si Balud, tinapos agad.
Kasi kaya naman
Hindi. Balwood. Ano lang naman yon. Totoo lang naman. Pero magandang suggestion naman, no? May chill tayo. Pero hindi ka kasi masyado nag-online eh.
ganito na lang. Gusto mo, kasi every CTA, may naman tayo na pwede tayo mag-separate comms if if we're more than 20
Kasi
people.
ako sa totoo lang nafe-feel bad ako sa mga namamatay eh. Dahil na pag hindi ka marunong pinagyan oras nila yun tapos mamamatay sila sa fun run. Tayo na nag-marathon, wala man lang pinatay. Walang assist, walang kill.
Ang layo ng nilakad mo tapos mamamatay ka lang.
Walang DC pa, no?
Sasabihin ni Frozen dumiretso, walang sinabi niya lang dumiretso, wala akong na-info na may kalaban na naka-dismount na. Kung kailan ina-atake na tsaka sabihin na may na-dismount na.
Saj, hindi ka nakamute sa Alliance Discord sa PTB
Hindi alam ko. Marinig nila ako, sige lang. Tara, kausapin ko sila. Sige. Sumbong mo ako? Bakit? May power ka?
Pwede na mag-arbak.
Taragis ka, laro lang to. Pero kung nasasaktan ka, kausapin mo ako.
Hindi magandang yan eh. Hindi magandang ginawa nilang sistema kanina.
Bakit? Hindi ko like from yesterday, kitang-kita ko na at least 20 to 30 people plus ang kalaban namin na outnumbered. Sumabak pa ng open world. Tignan mo tong zone na to, pre. Waste. Look at this waste, guys. Do you see that choke over there in the middle? You can use that, di ba? You can use that if you're over, no, if you're like outnumbered, you can use choke to take advantage for. And the thing here is, I see less people using tank. Wala akong nakikitang bedrock. At the same time, yung mga GE ni Frozen, galit sa kanya. Mismong clamp niya ang inaano, gini-GA.
Feeling ko yung upper class yun eh.
Alam ko sa sarili ko, walang tangang nag-GA unless may galit ang isang tao. Ilan beses GNA? 3, 4 na beses? 5?
Tatlo.
Oh,
Tatlong
hindi
beses.
yun sadya. Sadya yun, hindi yun coincidence. Hindi coincidence yun. Kasi di mo dapat ipapa-GA ang hindi marunong. 'Di ba? Wala naman 12 years old na naglalarong GA. Siyempre, gusto nila maging DPS, 'di ba?
If you're late, Arbok. Baka magang ka ba?
Yun lang yun, guys. May reputation ang si Frozen, which is very bad. Kung ganun ang laruan. Planado eh. Planado kung paano papatayin yung natin. Wala. Sinayang lang natin ang natin. Ang oras natin dito. Pero at least, guys, we have our territory. Although the really bad thing here, okay, we have territory, of course, yes, indeed. We will have more content who will ever going to defend or attack other territories, yes. Pero yung oras natin ngayon di ba? Ang pangit. Sinayang ni Frozen. Anyway,
Let it go! Frozen.
Frozen.
Tutuloy ko na tulog ko. Okay.
Pasag yung ages ko. Buisit.
Gagon, chip lang yan ng ages.
Sorry, Edgy. But the thing here is, I am judging the leader of the alliance in short of the summary. It's just, I don't like it.
Bye.
I just don't like it how...
Ito na lang, Sodzi. Kung ano man yung opinion mo sa kanya, huwag mo masyadong make it, what you call this, obvious. Okay? If may problema kasi, kausapin mo siya. Kasi if you say, for example, PTB, that's gonna bring conflict. Imbes na magkaroon tayo ng mga friends, magkakaroon tayo ng kalaban. Okay? We are in his alliance, whether we like it or not.
Buti mo lang, di ako pinatay, gagi.
Kasi, maganda rin siguro talaga, kausapin talaga din natin si Frost. Kasi kung hindi natin siya kausapin, walang magbabago.
Oo.
Kasi, Bald Alliance is the only Filipino international alliance in Limhurst. If we're gonna be joining other alliances, it's gonna be, noodle language.
Ano gusto niyo? Korean, Thai, Vietnamese, Chinese?
Pili ka.
Hindi,
Ramen?
Teka, boss, naalala ko nasabi ni Frost dati na, di ba wala silang plano this season? Kaya tinanong yung DP.
Kaya silang plano this season.
Tinanong tayo kung ano yung plano natin para sila, all out support naman sila sa atin eh. So, that means parang tayo yung magdadala ng alliance.
Ay, wait, ano sabi?
Gagamitin na lang natin sila.
Wala silang plano.
All out support sila sa atin kung ano man
Wala
yung
silang
natin.
plano. Pagkakarinig ko, tara, outpost castle tayo bukas.
Ito guys, kasi yung goal ng alliance is to have more contents for the alliance itself. Whether it be Fame Farm, Ava, yan ang access nila. Kung anong goal ng bawat guild is supportan rin talaga ng Snowflakes. Basically, in-name lang talaga sila ng leadership. Pero yun, as a whole, yung goal is lahat ng mga members ng alliance is makasucceed. Okay? Kung like, for example, kung strong natin yung mga Zergs, at i-advise natin siya, or kasapin na i-board natin. Only when necessary, for example, magta-terry death.
Ang ina, may ipis.
Yun lang. Yun lang talaga.
Ipis o gagamba? Yun ang may dumapo sa legs ko.
Ayan o, wait lang. Setting tax back to 0% guys kay weekend naman ngayon.
Okay, here's the thing, okay?
Para kayo dun.
I'm gonna go make my plan. And I think we'll try to mass for castle tomorrow, okay? How about that?